In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Apple Watch notifications vibrate. First of all, go to your iPhone and open the Watch app. From Watch app, My Watch section, tap on Notifications. And here, scroll down and find out the app you want to enable haptics or vibration. For example, I want to enable vibration for message notifications. So I'm just tapping on Messages. And here you have to select Custom. And then here you will find Haptics. So must enable haptic option. Then go back from here. That's how you can go ahead and enable haptic for notification for specific app. Select Custom and then go ahead and just enable haptic for your notification, and then go back from here. And now this time you have to scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics, and here tap on Haptics, and you must enable haptic first of all. And now on, whenever you get notifications, you get haptic or vibration on your Apple Watch.